Hi everyone! Are you tired of seeing random suggested contacts on Messenger? Here's how to remove them on iPhone. Let's get started. So first, open your Messenger app. Then tap your profile icon to the left corner and scroll down and tap Privacy and Safety. Then here select Message Delivery and adjust who can send your messages or appear as suggestions. Next, go to the privacy and select story and visibility and set it to friends only. If suggestions still appear, you can open the Facebook app and go to privacy or settings and upload contacts. Turn this off to stop syncing your contacts. Close the messenger and reopen it again, and the suggested people should now be reduced or gone. And that's how you remove or reduce suggested contacts on Messenger for iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.